Well, here we go and getting this started. Oh, look, Kevin's right here. Hi, Kevin. Leave it to you to be right here. Now, I haven't tried this with the goats around. I wonder if I can set this right here. I wonder if they'll leave it alone while I come over here to try and get Scratch. Will you guys leave it alone? No. See, I got Gaston going over there. Is he going to look at it? No, I think he's okay. Actually, probably safer than just the goats. Chickens. I'm going to guess chickens won't run it over. All right, everybody. Stay back, Miles. There we go. Let's try that. That's nice and dry. These are all pretty dry. Well, hello, all my Scratch hounds. Kev, where are you? You were out here before? Yes, hello. Hello, sweet guy. Where'd the turkey go? What'd you guys do with the turkey? The turkey was just right here. Oh, there she is. You guys can each have one bite, and then that's it. All right, Cece, you too. One bite. But only people who are polite. See, Louie doesn't ever jump. There you go. There you go, Miles. Okay. That's it for everybody. Hello, Mr. Rooster. And there we go. Gen Pop, Scratch. Now we're going to see if we can get these friends to move back just a bit there, Mr. Louie. Step it back, would you please? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, sorry, buddy. Hey, Louie. Oh, my broken water. Man. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Everybody back. everybody back. You're very loud there, buddy. You know, I bet when whoever it was built this tripod, they did not anticipate it being used in a barnyard. Because I can already think, if I can replace this whole head onto a better tripod, that may happen. It's got a fine little tripod if you're doing things inside, but it is not ruggedized for what we need to really do outside stuff. You gonna follow me here? Huh? Okay. All right, cheeky cheeks, how we doing? Time to see what we've got for eggs. We'll start over here at this side of Chicken Manor. Bring that down a little. Oh my gosh! What do you think? Do you think 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5? Five for Eon Dirty Bucket. Back in the back here. That gets us to 6, 7, both dirty. Nice start. At 7, nothing extra back there or there. And nothing. Nothing. Watch out, chickens. Now, yesterday, there was an egg in here. And today, there is not. Didn't think there would be. It's not a real hot spot for eggs. But you never know. Ooh, right inside the door there. So that's 7 and 8 in the bucket. So let's try making the old thing a bit shorter. Is that as short as it goes? Let's try that. Is that? All right. There we go. That was then. Oh hell, where was I? 8, 9. Louie is trying to break in. 10, 11. 12, 13. 14, 15. I can tell it was raining this morning because everything's muddy. 16, 17. 18, 19. Okay. We've got 20. And 21, 22. 23, 24, 25, 26. Yuck. These are gross. Alright. 27, 28, and 29. That was impressive. That was cozy. Woo. All right. 30. 31, 32. These are clean. 33. 34. 35. That's broken. Yeah. What you got here? 36. 37, 38, 39. Yikes. I may just call this hole 39, 40. So 40 in the coop. $41, $42, $43, $44. Doing pretty good. We're gonna make it to 50. 45, 46. I think we're running out of steam. $46. Uh-oh. Tapping out at 46 over here. Okay, 46. This thing does not appear to be following anymore. Maybe it's just done. Hello? Are you over here? Well, maybe not. Maybe it's out of batteries. I did not recharge it from the last time to this. One more time to try and turn it on. Oh, now does it think it's happy? Ooh. All right. We will get this buttoned up. 46 out of Chicken Manor, out of the juveniles. That's reasonable, but that's... I would love to see 50. At least it wasn't under 40, so I can't be too upset. Stay in there, chicken. Okay, now we're off to Gen Pop. See how this goes. Ah! Things to be ready for. I think sheep is an important one right at the moment. Oh, I didn't have the clip on there. Of course, leave it to Louie to notice that. Try and come over here and get in if I don't have the clip on. I'm Surprised he hasn't learned how to pick locks yet. Okay. Well, hi, Kevin. You gonna try and come in here with me? We can give it a try. You gonna try and follow me right in? Come on, Kev. Come on, Kevin. Stay back, everybody else. No chance, Miles. Kevin, you want to try and come in? I got too many big animals in the way. How am I going to do that? I got to get you guys to go away. How am I going to make you want to go away? I don't know. You are wanting a scratch, so it certainly is not going to happen right now. Let's move up here, and that may change the outlook. They're all coming up here. Where'd Kevin go? She's still out here? Okay, now all the sheep and goats are up here. Can I just go let Kevin in this fence? Is she right here still? Where'd you go, turkey? Hey, over there. You ran over there with everybody else. You ran over here with the herd. Come here, Kev. You guys get back. Let Kevin in. Come on, Kevin. Here, turkey, turkey, turkey. Come here, turkey. Come here, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. I can't do more for you. Come on, girl. This way. Come on. Can I do this? Come on, Kev. A foot this way and you'll see it. And now you're walking the other way. You gonna try it? Nope. She is not figuring it out. All right. Heck with her. We'll get her eventually. Just not right now. Oops. I'm over here. Tell you what, we're going to take 5 real quick. Okay, back from inside. Went and got my headlight. That's the headlight I normally use when I'm just doing the GoPro and it's clipped on the camera. What a lovely look, isn't it? But the nice part about it is going to allow us to see those chicken eggs. So let's go take a look at those right now. See, we got any duck eggs in here. I was able to get the coop cleaned up today, so that's nice. I don't know if those ducks left me any extras. Let's take a look around here. Well, hello, twins. It's my Broody Bunch. Hello, ladies. How's everybody doing? It's Calloway. I know that's Calloway. But she's not up on her golf ball, so that's what threw me. And then we got Bullet Head and Scissor and the twins. All right. There we go, Broody Bunch. Do we have anything back under here? Somebody was clearly making a nice little nest hole there. Don't see anything else egg-wise. Oh, missed you. You're right there. Hello, everybody. Anything under here? Nope, nothing under there that I see. Okay, I'm willing to believe that I got all the ground eggs earlier today, unless we find any more. So we're starting at 0 here. Go ahead and move that up a little bit there. So we come down and ooh, yuck. 1 and 2, 3. 3, that one's sort of nice. 4, 5. 4, 5. 6, 7. Very nice. 8, 9. Both dirty. 10, 11. Okay. Is that everything free? 11. Oh, no, wait, up here. 12, 13. And 14. Where's the golf ball? How's the golf ball gone? All right, am I being punked? Where's the freaking golf ball? Where's the golf ball? Oh, there it is. Whew. I was wondering if somebody might have made away with it. Okay. Oh, hi, scissor. $15, $16. Ow. I think these better go in here. Is that it? It was, right? 16, 8 bullet head, 17, 18. Is that it? Hi, Calloway. 1920. Thank you. $21. You were on here yesterday too, weren't you? I just didn't recognize you. Oh, I can tell you're trying to tuck my hand under your wing. Okay, twins. Nothing? Huh. Not impressed. So 20 or 21? 21. That's 21. It is not that time for you guys to be going to bed. How are we doing up here? It's handy if I got a big stick, huh? I can get up and see you guys. All right. Enough farting around 2021. Let's go in here. I think it was 21. Okay. Okay, what else do we have in here? We're at like 21, right? Are you going to follow me? Okay. Oh, 2 more. I think that's 223. Four 25. Oh, there you are. Six. Ah! Ah, here we go. Ow! 27, 28, 29, 30. Ow. 31, 32, 33. Jeez. I think we need to pet you. Yeah. Yeah, you sweet thing. Okay, that's it. Well, this camera run hasn't been the absolute best. Ooh. All right. Interesting. 33. I have 46 and 6 duck. Interesting way to do the egg collect. Not sure if I like it. Would love to know what you thought. There. That probably makes me look. This is more dramatic though, isn't it? By all means. There we go. The more dramatic way to end the egg collect. All right, we'll see you later for bedtime.